Hi, my name is Robert, and I'm a professional machinist. Over the years, searching for the perfect tool has been a challenge, especially when you're on a tight deadline. Are you ready to cut your tool search time down by 70%? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MachiningCloud to make finding the right cutting tool for your machine simple, fast, and reliable. Launch MachiningCloud, and you're just a few clicks away from your ideal tool. Select your tool type, your tool category, and finally, the tool model you need. Instantly, get all the tool's detailed info, and even download this data into your shop software. No more spending hours searching through outdated paper catalogs. MachiningCloud is revolutionizing the way we work. I'm excited about MachiningCloud and its powerful search engine that eliminates all the guesswork. Join me and countless professionals worldwide in embracing the future of machining with MachiningCloud.